Hello! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use multiple backspaces and dates for package rates. This function is used especially for group projects, where the exact number of passengers or dates may not yet be known when the project is being negotiated. The function makes it possible to give the client the rates for multiple backspaces and dates at once. The rates for different backspaces typically differ because of transport and guide costs. These differ depending on the size of the vehicle. Larger vehicles are more expensive, as is having a driver in addition to the guide. These costs need to be divided among the members of the group. The larger the group, the smaller each participant's share. Rates differ for different dates because the contract periods for all providers are not the same, and some providers have seasonal rates. As a result of the combination of these factors, the rates may be higher or lower at different times of the year. To enter multiple pack spaces, go to Rate Setup. Note the number of passengers displayed. This comes from the passenger list. Enter the other pack spaces you want to show to the client. For example, 15, 18, and 20. Click Calculate. Note the way the rates are displayed in Rate Setup. For the different pack spaces entered, for included as well as optional services. Always be sure you understand the rates before sending them to the client. For example, in this example, the rate base 15 is lower than base 12 because more people share the same vehicle cost. But the rate base 18 is higher than base 15 because although there are more people to share the vehicle cost, they are using a larger, more expensive vehicle. Entering multiple dates is also done in Rate Setup. Which dates to use can depend on the client or on suppliers. The Dates with Rate Change section in Rate Setup shows the dates when suppliers used in the project changed dates. These dates, especially for accommodation suppliers, can be used for a meaningful multiple date quote. For example, in this project, there are date changes for accommodation suppliers on the 1st of December, the 1st of February, and the 1st of May. Note the date in already displayed. This date does not have to be repeated. Enter the dates identified. 1st of December, 1st of February, and 1st of May. Click Calculate. Note the way the rates are displayed in Rate Setup. You can also combine multiple pack spaces with multiple dates. The more pack spaces and dates there are, the slower the calculation process, however. So unless the client specifies which to use, choose wisely to have only those for which there is a meaningful difference. In this example, there is a substantial difference between each of the pack spaces. If you look at the difference between them. But the difference between the dates is less, with the only substantial change in February. Therefore, enter only February under dates, but all the pack spaces, and click Calculate. Note the way the rates are displayed in Rate Setup. In terms of displaying the rates for multiple pack spaces and/or dates on the itinerary, there are two choices: whether to display them at all, tick Display in Program, and then which rate specifically to display. For example, if you do not want to repeat the rates for the option on all different break periods and pack spaces because they are the same, you can untick the ones you do not want. Click on Itinerary and Rates. Note the way the rates are displayed. And that is it. Thank you for watching.